food. It's yakiniku tonight, everyone. Tadakimasu. Excited for the American food together. Wait for the video dami-dami. Marami pang foods na coming.
Ito, arigato. Sashimi.
Let's eat and enjoy the foods here. Hello everyone, this is my outfit for tonight, and this is the one of my design, my creations. Interested, just message me if you want to order this style. Everyone, I accept me to order any sizes and any color, and this is originally made by me. And thank you so much everyone, and have a lovely day. This is by Miss Red Creations.
Ready?
明日朝ごはん7時だよ。
So, nandito na ang ating sundo, everyone. Ang daddy is paig na kayo si daddy, everyone. Daddy, mami ka ba? Paig na kayo ang akong daddy, wala na asin. No? Na ang sundo. Grabe kainit na ito. Nandito na yung sundo natin. Let's go! Arigatou gozaimasu.
すいません、お願いします。
Let's go back. Kasi daddy everyone. Cook na talaga under the sun. So try natin ang mango Miyazaki mango soft cream ice cream. So, inilan ako ni daddy ng soft cream, and then we done already the beach. Nagpunta rin kami ni daddy sa Bicnican. So, nagpunta kami ni daddy sa parang it's like a cafe shopping store, everyone, ng mga pangregalo. As you can see, so we're here. Kain tayo ng ice cream. Daddy bumili siya ng drinks niya, everyone. So we're here. So nandito tayo sa Botanical Garden here in Miyazaki. Kuri daddy pineapple dayo, oy di daddy miti agiro pineapple. Kuri pineapple dayo.
あ、これね。
So. Look at this one. This is pineapple. Diba? Kung makikita nyo ang pineapple, everyone, mayroon siyang flower, everyone, oh. Mayroon siyang mga flower. That is a pineapple. No? That is a pineapple. Ikaw wa mango ni pa. Ano chichay no mango?
어.
Ano tayo may pinaka?
어.
Miyazaki mango. Ha na kahayro dahil bro.
어.
Meron. So, tingnan natin everyone. Okay, so dito tayo sa loob at makikita natin ang mango. Tingnan niyo everyone ang mango.
망고.
Oo. Yan.
망고는 왜 빠른다?
This is Miyazaki mango. Dili hikapon siya everyone. So, ayan. Ganyan siya kadagko ang mango. Oh. Ano? Look at this mango. No? Oishiso. Ito tsuka. Ah, mite, torichatta, jubun de.
어.
もう大丈夫みたいこれ取ったんだから、ああ緑マンゴーが美味しそうだねkadami kawato na ni manggahaw eh look at the mango everyone maglaway ka sa mango dako kayo dagko kay mangga everyone oh. Daddy, kore lychee dayo. Ah, longgan. Ah, Philippine kore aru. Kore longgan. Kore avocado kana? Kuno mitay avocado.
아, 소.
So. Look at this one. This is avocado. Timo mango ko do dito. Kore ga dari okay. Ito sudah kay muro dami. Dami. Butis ko.
그 라임.
Kore lime?
라임.
Ah, oo siya. Kuno lime. Nang katara kuno tamago mitay. Eh.
스타 프루트.
Chuto mate everyone. Hello everyone. Dito kami ngayon ni dance of this botanical garden. Here, lagi chuto mate ko. Here in Miyazaki Prefectural Ishima. Botanical garden. Let's go. Pala ng park dito everyone. So, mayroon siyang ride. No? So, we've been already. And this is my backyard for today everyone. We have a very sick backyard. Galing kami ni Daddy sa beach. No? So, na ay mga banana everyone. Oh, mga banana. Oh, saging ba ni siya? No? Ang dami delikat-delikat na mga ikuan na ulit. Aoshima Souvenir Coffee and Restaurant. Ah, soko da ni Daddy. Ano, umisi?
あれお土産のとこか。
そう。
繋がってんの。もうお土産買わないでしょ。
買わない。あ、papaya. This is papaya.
どれ？
これ。
これパパイヤ。
そう。This one is papaya. Round and round. is our second day. Mag-beach si Daddy. So, I'm Daddy's bodyguard. Actually, ang ganda din ng weather today, everyone. Hinatid kami ng driver ng hotel. No? So, this is our second day and this is my outfit for today, everyone. So, this is our tonight. Sashimi.
これ日本の料理和食っていうの和食日本の料理
これ美味しそう。肉だけが美味しそう。
昨日もそうやろね
So this is our dinner time, Daddy, everyone. So this is our food actually. Sam is coming. Excited for the foods for tonight. So this is our night and this is my outfit for tonight, everyone. And this is the one of my creation.
昨日と違う
Ah, 美味しそう。
肉だね
Ah, this is so. This is our food for tonight. And this is our delicious foods for tonight. Hey, Daddy. So everyone, we're done already the swimming. Aoshima Beach kanina. And then dito na kami back sa hotel and we're waiting our dinner time. So, nakapag-shower na akit. At, Daddy, nilagyan ako ng mga aloe vera gel pala. Kasi, na-sunburn ako everyone. Kung nakikita nyo, na-sunburn ako. So, Daddy is checking our videos kanina. So, this is our day. Pahinga saglit ang tiyan ko, everyone. Lakas ng ano ko, lakwas in promise. So, this is our day.